In the wild's darkest corners, one name spreads fear. With razor claws and silent strikes, it's every creature's nightmare. No prey is safe. It attacks without warning. The leopard is a true master of ambush. In its dry, rugged domain, nowhere is safe. It can vanish among tall grass, behind rocks, or within the shadows of trees, striking when least expected. The leopard hunts with silent precision. It creeps closer, step by step, until the moment is right, then launches a lightning-fast final attack. To witness more incredible hunting moments from the wild, stay with us until the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you love wildlife and amazing animal stories, turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. A jackal spots what seems like an easy meal, a lone pigeon. It creeps closer, ready to strike. But just as it lunges at the birds, the hunter becomes the hunted. From the bushes, a leopard bursts out, swift, silent, and deadly, ending the chase in a single move. In another scene filmed in southern Africa, a leopard sneaks into a jackal's den and drags out a helpless pup, ending its life in an instant. In the wild plains of Western Africa, a lone jackal found itself just meters away from a lurking leopard. The predator moved slowly, almost invisible in the tall grass, closing in on its unaware prey. Before the jackal could react, the leopard struck with deadly precision, and the hunt was over. Another serval cat falls victim to the leopard's deadly claws. Not far away, a group of antelopes rests peacefully under the African sun. They can clearly see the predator nearby, yet they don't run. Then, in a heartbeat, the leopard launches its attack, and one of them becomes its next meal. In Zambia, Africa, as the Great Migration passes through leopard territory, one leopard seizes the perfect chance. It ambushes a passing antelope, wasting no opportunity. Leopards know time is short. The herds will soon be gone, and this may be their last feast for months to come. In another fierce encounter, a leopard targets a young buffalo calf. The herd rushes to defend it, bellowing and charging, but it's too late. The leopard's grip is unrelenting, and it drags its prey away with ease. Another leopard lies in wait along the buffalo's path. When the mother and her calf come close, it launches a sudden attack. At first, escape seems impossible. The leopard drags the calf away. But the mother refuses to give up. With fearless strength, she charges back and rescues her young from the predator's jaws. In another thrilling chase, a leopard pursues a monkey through the treetops. The hunt is fast and tense, branch to branch, leap to leap. In the end, the leopard's speed and precision prevail, and the monkey falls victim to its deadly strike. Another leopard struggles fiercely, but manages to capture its prey, a monkey high in the trees. Hunting from such great heights is perilous. One wrong move, one broken branch, and the hunter itself could fall to its death. The leopard uses the treetops as a sanctuary, a place to rest, to eat in peace, and to stay safe from other fierce predators like lions and hyenas. Most of all, it's a fortress of solitude, where the leopard preserves its strength and pride high above the dangers below. In another dramatic hunt, two unsuspecting gazelles graze peacefully, unaware of the danger nearby. A leopard has already locked onto them. It moves silently, every step calculated. And when the moment is right, it strikes with lightning speed, catching one completely off guard. A small herd of gazelles passes dangerously close to the hidden leopard, so close they could almost touch it. Yet they don't see the predator watching. One by one, they walk by unharmed, until the last gazelle makes its move. In an instant, the leopard strikes, and within seconds, the prey falls lifeless in its deadly embrace. In another hunt, wild boar piglets attempt to leave their den. A leopard waits silently at the entrance, then strikes with deadly precision, snatching one of them in an instant. Another leopard attacks a small golden piglet, successfully capturing it. The prey is so tiny that the leopard struggles to carry it in its jaws, but nothing can stop the predator from taking its prize. In southern Africa, a leopard faces off with a python. After a long and exhausting struggle, the python succumbs to the leopard's strength. The predator drags its catch up into the trees, where it can feed in peace and safety. In this hunt, a leopard targets a small, swift rabbit. Knowing that rabbits are agile and easily startled, the leopard relies on stealth and patience. Every movement is calculated, until finally, with a single, precise strike, it captures its unsuspecting prey. Can you believe the leopard's incredible climbing skills? It moves effortlessly up the tree branches, reaching its prey's nest unnoticed. In a swift, surprising strike, it captures its unsuspecting target. Truly remarkable. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed this wildlife adventure, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss another amazing animal encounter. Until next time, take care and enjoy every moment of the wild.